Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rozel here. I'm doing this Facebook Live from home today, and I wanted to just, do a little shout out and let you all know about a new workshop that I'll be doing. The new workshop is going to be on May 9th, and it's called Learn to Breathe. The reason why I'm doing this is because I guess with all of the things that are going on right now, we're all going through sort of this roller coaster ride of trying to, navigate what we're supposed to be doing and how to adapt to all of the changes. And many of you have been taking, yoga or fitness classes with us almost every single day, and that's amazing. But every once in a while, we still get caught in a bind, caught in our tracks, and we start to breathe really shallow. We start to get a little bit anxious, and what happens is when we get nervous, when we get stressed out, we forget to breathe deeply. A question that I ask many of my students is, do you think that you know how to take a deep breath? Do you know what that really is? And a lot of the times people would describe their breath as being very fast-paced or, very shallow, as if they're always racing from, one place to the next. In the workshop that I'm going to give, I'm going to really explain how we can use our breath as a gateway to relaxation, to stress management, and to meditation. I'm going to take the time to really help you to understand what the philosophy of yoga is and how your mind and your body and your breath are so interconnected that, it's impossible to find balance without those three components. We're going to look at the anatomy of breath to really understand how the breath works, what's happening in your body as you take a deep breath. What is happening to your nervous system when you learn how to breathe deeper. And most importantly, I'm going to go through with you three very, very important breath techniques that hopefully you can use in your everyday life. And those three breath techniques are Pranayama. So learning how to control your breath, learning how to lengthen your breath, helping you to lengthen your breath in terms of the duration of it, the energy that you're using to breathe, the sound of your breath, the pace of your breath. So we're going to learn the basics of pranayama. We're going to learn another technique called Nadi Shodana. Nadi Shodana is alternating nostril breathing. So learning how to, use your hands like this. Why we do that. Why do we separate, the right side from the left side? What is happening in your mind and in your body as you learn how to do Nadi Shodana? And we'll also go through the understanding of what exactly the Ujayii breath is. So for those of you who are new to yoga, all of these Sanskrit words, pranayama, Nadi Shodana, and Ujayii, it's probably all new for you. But these are breath techniques that hopefully, as we practice them, they will become part of your toolkit to help you to deal with challenging times, helping you to learn how to get closer to meditation. All right. So those are the three techniques that I will go through, and we're not just gonna, show you how to do it. We're actually gonna learn how to practice together. So in a workshop environment, we have a lot more time than you would in a class setting. In a class setting, if the class is an hour and 15 minutes, an hour and a half long, you really only have like 5-10 minutes at the beginning to do that opening centering meditation. And then at the end, it's Shavasana. But what I really want to teach you how to do is to take these breath techniques and to learn how to begin a practice at home. A practice at home where you focus on your breath and you really start to do some meditation at home. Okay? Learning how to meditate is very difficult. If I just told someone to close their eyes and to forget everything around them and just everything will be okay, just breathe and meditate, that's very challenging for a lot of people. So we need some tools to help us to get there. And the breath is definitely one of those tools. It's like it's the best tool that's out there. You need to really focus on your breath first in order to calm all of the noise that's going on inside of your mind. Okay, so if you're interested in learning a little bit more about the Learn to Breathe workshop, we're going to put all of the information at the bottom of this. Oh, hi Nadia, hi Chrissy, that's cool, you guys are there. I'm going to put all of the, Aranza's there too. All of the information is going to be put at the bottom of this post. And I hope you can join us. We're actually doing quite a bit of workshops at the studio, always virtually. Everything is going to be done virtually and through Zoom. So I've got this Learn to Breathe workshop. Nicole Fortunasso is doing a workshop on Reiki energy. And Bhaskar Goswami is doing an amazing 5-week series called Thriving Through a Crisis. So we recognize that there is a lot of anxiety out there. There's a lot of stress. We're all going through this roller coaster ride together, and we need to support each other. We need to see how we can help one another kind of get through this. Anyways, so I just wanted to, do a little shout out to all of you. I also want to personally thank every one of our students, our clients who have been amazing and going through this learning experience with us together. It's been a month now, and every single day, hey Nadia, every single day, we're learning, putting out fires. I mean, if you would see my husband and I, every single day there's something, the microphone is not working, or, Zoom cuts out, or the internet dies, and, all of these things, we're learning how to breathe through it, right? We're learning how to breathe through it. Today, I was so happy because, we actually got our microphone and our music to work at the same time. And finally, our internet is stable. Hey, Celeste. So, but every single day, there's a challenge. And do you stop there? Do you just give up? Or can you find a way to, go back to your breath? Take one breath at a time, look at the day and see, what went well today. Because if I couldn't do that, being a business owner, learning how to do all of these new things, if I looked at all of the things that went wrong, I wouldn't keep going. I would probably just stop right there and just get so discouraged. But what I try to do is I try to practice what I preach. I try to stay grounded. I try to focus on the things that are going well. I try to look at, the community around me. I, look at the students who are, supporting us and sticking with us and helping us to get through this time. I look at my family. I look at my friends. And I do believe that we're going to get through this one breath at a time, right? So that's what I want to try to share with all of you. Anyways, that's it. So thanks guys for watching. And if you're interested in taking this Learn to Breathe workshop with me, it would be wonderful to spend that time with you. It is, when did I say it was again? Oh, here we go. It's May 9th. That is a Saturday from 2 to 4. And you can do it in the comforts of your own home. And it's going to be a workshop that is going to be mostly just discussion. It's going to be mostly discussion, and you could probably do most of it just from sitting in a chair or sitting on the floor. We're going to do some movement, but mostly just discussion and breath. Hey Arthur, haven't seen you in a while. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions at all, anything at all, please message me below, or you can direct message me on Facebook, or you can just email us at info@energieencorps.com. All right, guys, thank you so much for listening. And if you haven't taken a virtual class with us yet, please do so. I think some of you know already that we have a new virtual studio that launched last Monday, April 13th. We have about 15 classes a week, and if the times of our classes are not good for you, you can always go online, and our classes are recorded and you can watch them on demand. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Have a good rest of the night, and maybe I'll see you online tomorrow. Bye. Namaste.